Hello Creative Crafty Lovely and welcome to my channel. If you're a new subscriber or returning subscriber, I am so delighted that you are here. This is a sneak peek for a swap that I'm in, and for this swap it is also a collaboration, and it is for the Christmas beach swap that Tree from Tree Craft On and Cathy from Cathy's Creative Crafts and More are co-hosting. So we are all to create a bag right here, and this is a paper bag, and this is the colors that I decided to use. And once I show you a piece of the ephemera, you'll understand why I'm going with the non-traditional Christmas colors. And I will also list the tutorial for this purse down in the description below. And this is a really easy tutorial to follow. And what I did is I used a solid color, but this right here are some diagonal score marks that I made. And I have a board that does have a diagonal board to it, and so I decided to go ahead and use that. So this is the purse that I'm putting all my goodies in. Here is a piece of the ephemera that I'm using, and as you can tell, it is not traditional colors, and this is a tropical themed and it is beach themed, and I did purchase this ephemera from the Silhouette store, and as you can tell, that's why I decided to go with these colors. And I'm not quite done with this, but I did go ahead and add some glossy accents right here, and this is a digital file, by the way. And so I still need to go in and put some resin so that this could be sturdy, and then I will be hanging it up right here. And I will be adding a couple of other things to this purse. If you would like to see a sneak peek to what the other participants in this collaboration are doing, I will make sure and list all of them down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I hope that you find happy little moments throughout your day. Bye!